This brand new gaming PC build just came in the shop because despite the power switch being on, the second you try to press the power button, nothing happens. So what exactly is going on here? Well, with the current state of the wires in the system, I assume it's probably a wiring issue. So the first thing I want to do is just make sure our 24 pin's connected. We got our 8 pin nice and secure up top. And then really the only other connection that actually matters for the system to even just like turn on momentarily are the front panel connectors. And if we look closely, that's not right. You see how it says reset switch? Well, on most motherboards, the 3rd and 4th pin on the top are typically for the power switch and not the reset switch. And if you look closely at the diagram on the board, that's exactly the case with this one. So let's just pull these cables out. And I don't think I've ever seen that, but this case has 2 reset switches and not a power switch. Somebody must have seriously messed up at the factory. Come on, Mustex. And I know both of these aren't both reset switches, so I'm just assuming one of them is actually just mislabeled. So let's go and just figure out which one's for the power button. All right, so I plugged in one of them. And with this one, the power button doesn't work, but if we press the reset button, the system fires right up. So we know that one's actually wired up for the reset switch. So let's just swap these 2 cables and try the power button. And wouldn't you look at that, the system fires right up. So now we know which one was mislabeled. This is the actual power switch, even though it says reset switch. I don't think I've ever seen front panel connectors mislabeled like that. So let's go ahead and just rewire the rest of the front panel connectors. And now that this power button works, all we got to do is rewire the system and make it look nice for our customer.